In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive multiple Instagram posts at once. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. And then from here, you need to tap on the three lines up in the top right corner once you're on your profile page. This is then going to take you to your settings and activity where you actually need to scroll down a little bit and you need to find your activity on here. Go ahead and select that to open it up. And under the content you shared section right here, and you could scroll down, you're going to see the post section on here. Go ahead and tap on post to open this up, and it's going to show you your current post. Up in the top right, you'll see a little select button. Go ahead and tap on select, or I guess you could say you could select. Yeah, if you see what I did there. Choose all the posts that you want to archive. You could go ahead and select all of them if you wanted to, and then just hit archive down in the bottom left. And then confirm again by tapping archive one more time. To view them later, you just have to go back and open up your archive menu and choose post archive. And we have a full video breaking that down, so I recommend checking that out. But that's going to be the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.